heartbeat, one rhythm, one people, one tomorrow. When the morning paints the sea, hope awakens peacefully. Every step upon the sand builds a brighter promised land. Through the valleys, through the rain, faith keeps calling us again. Every voice becomes a song where we all belong. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Let compassion be your guide. Keep believing, stand as one. Every new day brings the sun. Heartbeat one, feel the groove. Every soul begins to move. One love, one dream, one destiny. Together we ride in harmony. Heartbeat one, lift your voice. Hope and peace become our choice. Hear the children laugh once more. Open every hopeful door. Every neighbor lends a hand, growing goodness through the land. Like the rivers meet the sea, every heart was born to be strong in purpose, bold and free, living faithfully. Hear the horns across the hill, every note the spirit fills. Naya Bingi drums proclaim, love is stronger than the flame. Echoes rolling through the night, leading every soul to light. Stand together, never fall. There's enough for all. Heartbeat one, raise your hand. Hope is growing across the land. Side by side, we stand tall. One love can heal us all. Heartbeat one, keep the fire bright. Walk together toward the light. Heartbeat one, feel the groove. Every soul begins to move. One love, one dream, one destiny. Together we ride in harmony. Heartbeat one, lift your voice. Hope and peace become our choice.
fire glows deep inside. The spirit knows. Walk with courage through the day. Let your kindness lead the way. Every heartbeat tells the truth. Holding on to endless youth. Like the sunshine after rain. Joy can wash away the pain. Stand with purpose, proud and free. Just as you were meant to be. Keep your light burning bright. Through the day and through the night. Every dream can take its flight. Love will always win the fight. Fire in the soul, let it shine so bright. Lift your voice, step into the light. One heart, one flame, one destiny. Together we rise in sun is rising, the music calls. Open your heart, let the good times flow. From the shoreline to the town, smiles replace every frown. Every neighbor, every friend, good vibrations never end. Hands are reaching to the sky, dreams are soaring way up high. Every heartbeat finds a groove, feel the island start to move. Let your worries drift away, dancing to a brighter day. When we gather side by side, love becomes our greatest guide. Celebrate the moment, lift your hands up high. Sing beneath the sunshine, touch the open sky. Move with joy, move with grace, share a smile on every face. Celebrate the moment, let your spirit shine. Together we'll remember these beautiful times. Hear the laughter, fill the air, kindness waiting everywhere. Every rhythm tells a tale, hope will always set the sail. Through the valleys, through the rain, love keeps calling out your name. Every voice becomes a flame, unity remains. Hear the horns begin to play, chasing every cloud away. Drums unite, guiding every heart to light. Echoes dancing on the breeze, flowing gently through the trees. One love growing every day, lighting up the way. Celebrate moment, every heart belongs. Lift your voices higher, sing your freedom songs. One love, one dream, one family. Together we build a brighter destiny. Celebrate the moment, keep the fire alive. Hope will always flourish when our hearts unite.
From the sunrise to the shoreline, a light shines bright and true. Every heartbeat tells a story, painted in island blue. She walks with courage in her stride, like the ocean deep inside. With gentle words and steady grace, she brings hope to every place. Strong as mountains, calm as rain, turning trials into gain. Every smile becomes a spark, lighting up the darkest dark. Raise your hand. Children laugh beneath the sun, knowing brighter days will come. Every village, every town lifts another when they're down. Hand in hand we build anew, with hearts so pure and true. Let the horns ring through the breeze, carry hope across the seas. Naya Binghi rhythms roll, bringing healing to the soul. Echoes drifting through the night, leading every heart to light. One love growing every day, lighting up the way. Island queens, stand up for, shining brighter than the sun. Faith and hope will never fall. Love is strong enough for all. Island queens, keep the flame. Every heart can make a change.
The ocean waves and tropical birds gradually fade into silence.
Slow down, hear the morning call. Every season has its time, there's a purpose through it all. Every road may twist and bend, still the faithful journey ends. Step by step the mountains part, hope is written on the heart. Though the night may linger long, faith becomes our strongest song. Every sunrise paints the sky with another reason why. Hold on steady, don't lose sight. Every dawn follows night. Keep believing, standing tall. Time and truth will conquer all. Time will tell, let your spirit grow. Like the river's steady flow. Stand with courage, walk in grace. Love will always find its place. Time will tell, keep your fire bright. Hope is shining through the night. Plant compassion where you stand. Build tomorrow hand in hand. Every smile can change a day, lighting someone's hidden way. Hear the children laugh again. Joy can overcome the pain. Every dream begins with one, reaching for the sun. Let the horns announce the day, drive the fear and doubt away. Naya Bingi rhythms rise, echoing beneath the skies. Every heartbeat, every prayer carries hope into the air. Stand together side by side. Let love be your guide. Time will tell, lift your voice and sing. Every heart can change everything, from the valleys to the sea. Hope afraid. Every mountain, every sea whispers you are free. Raise your voice, lift it high, like the birds across the sky. Every heartbeat keeps the time. Every dream is yours and mine. Jump for joy, let your spirit fly. Dance together beneath the island sky. One love, one flame, one destiny, moving as one, strong and free. Jump for joy, let the music play. Hope will guide us every single day. Hear the laughter in the streets, feel the rhythm in your feet. Every neighbor, every friend, love is where true victories begin. Plant the seeds of peace today, watch them blossom on the way. Through the sunshine and the rain, hope will still remain. Let the horns announce the dawn. Every shadow now is gone. Naya Pingi drums resound, healing hearts with every pound. Echoes drifting through the night, leading every soul to light. Stand with courage side by side, let your faith be your guide. Jump for joy, sing the melody, raise your hands in harmony. From the valleys to the sea, every heartbeat walks in unity. Jump for joy, keep the fire bright. Love will lead us through the every heartbeat walks in unity. Jump for joy, jump for joy. Keep the fire bright. Love will lead us through the night, through the night. From the mountains to the sea, lift your soul and walk in peace. Wake with purpose, greet the day. Let your kindness lead the way. Every smile can plant a seed, growing hope where hearts are free. When the pressure weighs you down, lift your spirit, wear your crown. Storms may come, but they won't stay. Light will find a way. Hands together, voices strong. Every heartbeat sings one song. Keep the fire burning bright, moving forward toward the light. Rise and move, feel the rhythm flow. Let your spirit people overseas. One love, one flame, one destiny. Together we build a brighter legacy. Rise and move. Rise and move. Keep the fire burning. Rise and move. Rise and move. When the wind keeps changing, stand with courage, never sway. Every sunrise tells the story. Love will always find a way. From the hills to the shoreline blue, every heartbeat carries something new. Plant good seeds where your footsteps fall. Lift one soul and you strengthen all. When the shadows cross your road, hope can still become your load. Every mountain starts with one small climb. Faith keeps perfect time. Raise your voice beyond the fear. Better days are drawing near. Every trial shapes the flame. Love and truth remain the same. Hold to the light, never let it fade. Stand together, strong and unafraid. Heart to heart, hand in hand, hope will bloom across the land. Hold to the light, through the darkest night. Rise together, everything's alright. Children laughing in the morning breeze, songs of freedom carried through the trees. Hands united, many colors shine. Different stories, one design. Every river finds the sea. Every soul was born to be. Let compassion guide the way. Brighter grows each day.
Hear the horns call through the sky. Lift your dreams and name them high. Now your bingy drums proclaim. Every heart can spark a flame. Echoes rolling far and wide. Peace and justice walk beside. One tomorrow starts today. Love will lead the way.
Hold to the light,
Hold to the
keep the fire bright.
lighting hearts along the way, straighten kindness in a smile, turning burdens into style. Every dream she plants will grow, like the rivers gently flow, standing tall through storm and rain. Love outshines the pain. Lift your head, don't hide your light. Every soul was made to shine. Keep your spirit strong and free. Hope is our identity. Queen of the sunrise, bright as the morning sky. Move with love, stand with pride. Let your spirit fly. One heart, one soul, one family. Together we rise in harmony. Children laugh beneath the trees, songs are dancing with the breeze. Neighbors helping hand in hand, building dreams across the land. Justice grows where kindness stays. Love will always find a way. Every step becomes a flame. Hope remains the same. Hear the horns across the shore, calling every heart for more. Nyabingi drums unite, leading every soul to life. Echoes rolling through the air, peace is rising everywhere. Stand together, voices strong. This is where we all belong. Queen of the sunrise, shining through the years. Made this stronger than our fears. Lift your hands, lift your voice. Love becomes the choice. Side by side, we will stand, building hope across the land. Queen of the sunrise, bright as the morning sky. Move with love, stand with pride. Let your spirit fly. One heart, one soul, one family. Together we rise in harmony.
You know, Antoine's improvise over a deep bass line while tape echoes drift into the distance. Nyabingi drums and Caribbean percussion continue beneath ocean waves, tropical birds, and a warm island sunset ambience.
sun break through the cloud again. Hope still grows though we walk through pain. Every heartbeat carries yesterday. Still we stand and we find our way. No chain can hold a faithful soul. Truth and love will make us whole. Every child deserves to dream. Life is stronger than it may seem. Lift your eyes beyond the rain. Strength is born through every stand. Hold the faith and never cry. Keep on rising through the fire. Rise through the fire. Higher and higher. One heart, one dream, one destiny. Shine like the morning, bright without fear. Together we stand, love conquers here. Hear the drums from the mountainside. Ancient voices become our guide. Wisdom flowing like rivers run, lighting hearts beneath the sun. Plant good seeds in every land. Peace begins with helping hands. Every nation sing as one. Our tomorrow